Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the projects here on Xero. So first is we are going to discuss the purpose of the project. So the projects feature in Xero is designed to help businesses track the profitability of specific jobs, tasks, or client projects in one place. So its main purpose is to let you monitor income, expenses, time, and costs related to a project so you can clearly see whether it is making a profit or a loss. So first is you just have to log into your Xero account, and then you just have to go here to the projects option. So you'd be able to see all of your projects, time entries, staff time overview. So let me just tap on the all projects. So to create a new project right here, you just have to simply tap on this new project option. So we have draft or in progress. So I'm going to select in progress for this one. And then we just going to add here now our contact. Okay, and then we're just going to name this project as maybe a month. Okay, and then here you just have to pick a deadline. So maybe the deadline for this one is on January 23. And then for the estimate, we can also calculate from tasks and estimated expenses. And then we can see this project. So we have public and private. So I'm just going to select private for this one and then tap on create. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. Okay, so right here you can add your task, estimated expenses, expense, or your expense from bill. And for the timer, okay, so if you are going to start working with this project, so just have to turn on this one so you'd be able to track your progress. Okay, so this is for the tasks and expenses. So you have your time, and then you have your codes and invoices right here, and then your profitability. Okay, so if you'd like to assign this project to your workmates, you just have to go here and then tap on the assign option, and then you just have to add your staff. So you just have to choose people that you want to add. So through Xero Projects, you can assign expenses and bills to a project, track staff time, create codes, and invoice clients accurately based on actual costs and hours worked. So by consolidating all project-related financial data, Xero helps business owners make better decisions, control budgets, improve pricing strategies, and ensure that every project is financially sustainable. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.